Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal gym. Begin by measuring 1 cup oats, 1 cup liquid, and 1 scoop protein. Use water, milk, or almond milk for desired creaminess. Mix in 1 tablespoon nut butter or 1/4 cup nuts for calories and healthy fats. Add 1/2 banana or 1/4 cup berries for carbs and flavor. Stir, heat, or soak, depending on your chosen method and timing. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and tracking. Combine 1 cup rolled oats with 1 cup liquid and 1 scoop protein powder in a bowl. Stir in 1 tablespoon chia, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, or 1/4 cup chopped nuts for healthy fats and fiber. Add sweetener sparingly, like 1 teaspoon honey or 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Top with fruit or cinnamon to boost taste without excess sugar. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and keeps workout playlists ready while you prep breakfast. It's compact, fun, and pairs with timers so your oats never overcook. Look in the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for listening. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a cooking method based on time and texture preferences. Microwave for quick results. Cook 1 to 2 minutes, stir, and rest 1 minute. For creamier results, simmer on stovetop for 5 to 8 minutes, stirring to avoid sticking. For grab and go, mix oats, liquid, and protein, then refrigerate 6 to 8 hours. Adjust liquid by 1/4 cup increments to reach your preferred thickness before adding toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.